Homeowners, here's the easiest DIY you've ever done. Want to prevent frozen pipes during a deep freeze this winter? Here's how. Step 1. That's it. One step. Well, you need to go around and do this with every sink cabinet in the house, but that's repetition. It's not really a step. The point is, if your water pipes run along an exterior wall, they're at much greater risk of freezing when the mercury plunges. In severe winter weather, water in your pipes could freeze, causing expansion, which could result in the pipes bursting. Opening your sink cabinet doors lets the warm air from your home's heating system circulate to your outside adjacent pipes, and that little temperature difference could mean a big difference between a calm, cozy winter's night by the fire or water damage, frantic calls to a plumber, and a pricey emergency repair bill. Now tell me that's not the easiest DIY you've ever done.